There are several methods for removing leaves from a lawn, but using a cordless leaf blower is the quickest, quietest, and cleanest. Many people regard leaf blowers as noisy, fume-spewing fuel wasters, but newer corded and cordless models provide plenty of power without the inconveniences associated with gas-powered blowers, which are rarely needed at home. There are many options in the market, but here are the top 5 electric battery leaf blowers in 2023. But before we get started, be sure to subscribe to our channel and ring the bell to get notified about our latest videos. Number 1. EGOPOWER Plus LB 7654, 765 cubic feet per minute. The 765 cubic feet per minute EGOPOWER Plus blower is the most powerful handheld blower in the world. The newest EGO blower is 15% more powerful than any other handheld blower on the market, with air speeds reaching 200 miles per hour. For optimum control, use the speed control dial to change your airspeed from 260 to 580 cubic feet per minute. When you're ready to push through heavy debris like wet leaves, boulders, mud, and snow, switch to turbo mode. For consistent blowing, the variable speed trigger features a new cruise control dial. All of this industry-leading power is matched with industry-leading run times. Obtain an average run time of 90 minutes when using the EGO 56-volt 5.0 amps for an hour ARC lithium battery. The high-efficiency brushless motor provides more run time, lower vibrations, and longer motor life. Number 2. DeWalt FlexVolt 60-volt max blower, 125 miles per hour, 600 cubic feet per minute. The FlexVolt 60-volt max blower appears to be the 40-volt max blower's twin. Although most blowers are moving to an inline design, DeWalt is continuing with the side intake method. This causes some spin in the airflow, which is why the nozzle has a little S-curve to lessen it. All of this results in additional friction for the air to contact and a minor loss of power. The 60-volt Max FlexVolt brushless handheld axial blower, part of the 60V Max FlexVolt battery system of high-powered goods, powers through any task with up to 600 cubic feet per minute of air volume and 125 miles per hour. To control the blower output, this blower has a variable speed trigger and a speed lock. With the battery inserted, the blower will have a tiny forward lean. Clearing the clippings and leaves from the driveway and walkways is a good idea. The flat nozzle reduces your air volume to the point where you'll only use it for difficult materials. It works best for removing damp grass and leaves off hard surfaces and walks around your home. Overall, the power isn't really impressive, especially if you're used to a gas blower. However, for the homeowner, it performs an excellent job of keeping your concrete walkways clear. Number 3. Milwaukee 2824-20M 18 Fuel Dual Battery Blower. The Milwaukee M18 Fuel Dual Battery Leaf Blower is a significant improvement over previous versions, making it an easier sell as a gas substitute. Landscape care experts will appreciate the performance, durability, and ergonomics of this M18 Fuel Dual Battery Blower. The blower also provides the most consistent power by generating a higher power output than any handheld gas blower and sustaining that power level during the battery's full charge. The Power State brushless motor generates 600 cubic feet per minute and 145 miles per hour, allowing it to handle tough tasks like removing wet leaves. Because of the innovative electrical package, the blower can achieve maximum speed in less than a second, improving control and productivity. This battery-powered blower comes with both a tapered and a flat nozzle adapter, allowing you to optimize airflow for various purposes. The blower operates on red lithium batteries and is designed to be used with M18 red lithium highest output batteries. The M18 Fuel Dual Battery Blower is a component of the M18 system, which is fully compatible with over 200 different solutions. Number 4. Works 40-volt turbine cordless leaf blower, WG584. You may choose an airflow capacity of 300 to 470 cubic feet per minute and an airflow speed of 60, 69, 80, or 95 miles per hour with the Works 40-volt turbine cordless leaf blower power share with brushless motor. The unit was lightweight, easy to use with one hand, and rather quiet for the amount of power it provides. It cleared the patch of grass of dried leaves in 12.9 seconds, which was among the fastest times recorded. It removed the patch of grass from damp leaves in 12.7 seconds, and the piece of concrete from dry leaves in a much longer 52 seconds. This unit is composed of 3 parts. You'll have no trouble following the assembly instructions, and will have the leaf blower set up in less than 2 minutes. However, you may have some difficulty attaching the final piece. It would be preferable if this machine gave us more control over the airflow. You will, however, be pleased with its power, as it can easily drive fishing line weights a 10-foot distance. Furthermore, its extended battery life will keep you worry-free, and you will not notice any power loss when the blower is in use. Number 5. Kemo Cordless Leaf Blower and Vacuum. The Kemo battery-powered leaf blower, powered by an all-copper engine, can achieve speeds of 20,000 revolutions per minute. The unit cleans the patio and garage quickly. It may then be transformed into a strong vacuum, ideal for cleaning automobile interiors. This blower is easy to lift for everyone in the house because it only weighs about 3 pounds. This blower's modest weight and varied functions make it an excellent choice for lighthouse cleaning and automobile cleanings, such as blowing snow off the windshield/rear mirror during the winter and vacuuming food crumbs and pet hair off your seat. Long-lasting power has been improved on the blower. The battery has been improved from 2.0 to 4.0 amps for an hour, providing 30 minutes of power blowing with double output efficiency. So guys, that was it for this video. What did you think about our video? Let us know in the comment section below. If you are new to our channel, be sure to subscribe and ring that notification bell to get notified about our latest videos. Thanks for watching.